Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick review, we have something exciting to review. Something that probably a lot of you do not know exists. This is a 20 volt variable speed polisher by DEWALT. Now, we polish a lot when we remodel bathrooms, remodel showers. I mean, you're polishing ceramic, glass, a lot of porcelain, mitered porcelain. When we install our engineered stone, we have to make, after a cut, we have to make that edge look factory, shiny. It has to have a bevel. So we've been using this for a long time. It's your Harbor Freight corded variable speed polisher. It has done the job, but this cord always gets in the way. So it's time to upgrade to something that is cordless. Now, you can always use a grinder, of course. These things have high RPM. We use grinders to polish our cut edges, to also polish our miters. They do the job, but this is what typically happens. Because of the high RPMs, the backer of these polishing discs, they break, they fly off. It's dangerous. It really is dangerous. As you can see, this one has broken a few times. We have broken a few of these with plastic flying out. Regardless of if it's plastic or rubber, the backing always tends to come off because of the high RPMs. Now with this here, it has RPMs from 2,000 up to 5,500, as well as a variable speed trigger. So you can really control the speed of this disc. This polisher does work with your 4-inch as well as a 5-inch. It is a random orbit polisher with a 5-inch backing plate again, which works with 4-inch or 5-inch discs. Let's get right to it. Let's unbox and show you what this looks like. I want to get outside and test it on granite, on engineered stone, porcelain, mitered porcelain, ceramic, glass, you name it. So here we go. Here we are, DEWALT 20 volt DCM 848B. Yeah, this thing looks a lot bigger than I was expecting, but it feels a lot lighter than it looks for sure. Feels a little lighter than the Harbor Freight, but of course we need to attach a battery there. So here it is, 20 volt polisher. Here's your dial. 5,500, 3,500, 2,000. We have a lock here for the trigger. Again, variable speed. This is the rubber gear case and handle. The ergonomics feel great. Can polish with 2 hands or 1 hand. It needs to balance out a little bit with a battery. That's interesting. Side mount battery there for better weight distribution, I guess. Let's plug a battery in, see what it sounds like. Very quiet motor, brushless motor as well. Let's get to it, get outside. See how well this performs on all types of material. Here we go. Our station is set up. Our material, our saw, and our polisher. Let's show you what we got here. Here's our material, the tile saw we will be using. This is for a miter cut. And here is our polisher. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the benefit of this polisher versus a grinder. You don't have to use these backer discs. As you can see, they tend to break and fly off. A bit dangerous because of the extreme high RPM. So we don't need this. We simply stick our 4-inch down or our 5-inch down. Variable speed with your dial. Here we go. And there it is, DEWALT's 20-volt cordless random orbit polisher for tile and stone. I use this one-handed for this video. It helps to clean up mitered porcelain, helps to clean up your cut edges on dark porcelain so that it looks factory, and to polish cut stone or cut engineered stone for your niche sills, your shower curbs, or your shower benches. And so many other applications. It's a lot safer with the low RPM than using these discs on a high RPM grinder You can polish with the low RPMs. You've got the variable speed trigger here. It's a great unit. No cord, cordless. Polisher for tile, for stone, and of course you can use it to buff out and polish your truck or van. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, links will be down there with specs and pricing if you want to check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.